Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Masturbation.
Let's break it down.
This word is often mispronounced or said awkwardly. The correct way is masturbation. Start with mas, then ter, followed by bay, and finish with shun. Together, masturbation. Now, let's practice it together 3 times. Ready? Masturbation. 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 If you got it right all 3 times, you just mastered a word most people avoid saying correctly.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Masturbation. Masturbation. Masturbation.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.